Kiki and Riki show. Enjoy!
What happened?
Oh no!
My house! My beautiful house! What happened? What am I gonna do now?
Oh no!
What happened to Kiki's house? I wonder what happened. I better go and help her. What happened, Kiki?
Hi, Riki. I was just cooking some fish, and then all of a sudden, my house blew over. I don't know what happened. I think it was a big tornado.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I can help you rebuild your house.
Are you sure? Really?
I just have to go get my tools. I'll be right back. Let me go back to Kiki's house.
Are you back?
I came to help you. Okay, let's start. Safety first. This is too small. This is just right. I can do it. Kiki will be happy and you fix your house. Ta-da!
My house is upside down.
What? Oh, this is the plan. Look.
Oh no!
Riki, the plants are upside down.
What? You're right. Oh, now I can believe it. I'll fix it. Ta-da!
Yay! My house is finally done. Thank you so much for helping me, Riki.
You're welcome.
Thank you for helping me, Riki.
Anytime.
When a friend needs help, you should always help them.
Bye, everybody.
See you next time.